welcome to my channel Excel for Accountants, and this is just a channel introduction, kind of explaining what this channel is about and kind of giving some background into who I am and my expertise. So I created this channel because I use Excel a lot in the accounting field, and I have 10 plus years in accounting. I have my MBA in strategic management. I have my certificate in computerized accounting, and I'm currently working on my CPA right now. So one of the reason I created this channel is because I often get asked to do a lot of stuff in accounting because I'm really good in terms of Excel. And just to give like some background, Robert Half International, like one of the biggest accounting staffing firms, they always test you on your Excel skills, and I usually score like a 97% or higher. Have been for like the last 4 or 5 years. So it's something that I really take to heart. It's something I really work on to be that good in Excel. And my primary specialty in Excel is like splicing formulas together to create like new hybrid formulas to do things faster. So as a result, I really like using Excel to help speed up and improve my efficiency with workflow, whether it's in AP, AR, or financial stuff, things like that. And at the same time, I noticed that as I'm doing more in Excel, I'm also not able to like practice certain aspects in Excel as I would love to and experiment with to improve and learn new things. And so I created this channel as a vehicle for me to like test out new ideas, new scenarios, new formulas, new workflows and worksheets that I might not normally get to use in my regular day 9 to 5 job. So it's kind of a way for me to improve my skill and keep learning and keep improve my mastery of Excel outside of what I'm already using it for, and at the same time provide informational tidbits for you guys who want to learn to use Excel in a different way, or improve upon the Excel that you already know, or maybe even like just use some of the worksheets I've created, workbooks I've created. So that will be one thing I also be available, is that the workbooks that I create in these videos will be available for purchase. But so just want to do a quick channel introduction in terms of what this channel is about, and primarily it will be specialized in accounting, finance, sales, and operation fields. So those will be the worksheets, workbooks that you'll see I create things for. And usually how I like to do is I like to either have a video I'm working on a specific project, or maybe like working on a type of formula, or maybe even tips and tricks, things like that. So either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're in this field, we all know that Excel is definitely a tricky beast, but once you get a hang of it, it definitely helps improve things tenfold. Again, thank you guys for checking out the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.